welcome back to my vlog. Hi. So, we are on our way to Davao. It was a very last-minute decision na magpunta kami ng city. We just decided last night. So, time check, it's 7 a.m. And ang drive papuntang Davao is around 4 hours. So, naka-cover na kami ng 30 minutes. No? Mga around 30 minutes. May maraming goats. Ay, there's a kangaroo! Woo! Ay, hindi nakita. Ewan ko lang. I'm not sure if nakita nyo yung kangaroo. Pero there was a kangaroo sa side ng road. And ang daming goats kanina. Yeah. So, itong area na to, dito sa Australia, it's very well known. It's known for goats, as in, sobra. Mga wild goats. And meron kaming nakitang isang emu kanina. And, yun nga, mga kangaroos. So, I'm so excited to go to the city. Ang dami kong gustong kainin. Ikaw?
McDo, ramen, KFC, lahat.
Hoy! Ano yun? May patay na kangaroo.
Oh, which one is the cheapest one?
Actually,
That one.
I didn't bring my camera kanina because we went to the botanical garden to walk the dogs and also to meet the dog walker who's gonna look after the dogs tomorrow. Maganda yung botanical garden but hindi talaga namin siya naikot. We only went to one area because the reason behind is maraming mga bata and gusto nilang lapitan ng mga dogs. Okay lang naman sana but we're just being cautious. Dogs are dogs. So we don't know sometimes how they react or how careless some kids are sometimes. We went to this ang tawag doon, babe, like we went to the recycling area malapit sa Coles. I forgot anong shopping center nang doon kasi that area may Kmart siya, mayroon din siyang Coles. But anyway, they have this place where you can recycle your glass bottles, plastic bottles, and every bottle, it's 10 cents ang i-refund nila. So we went there and we were able to earn $5.50. That's amazing. And to think meron din tayong mga bote na tinapon. So, kung hindi natin tinapon lahat ng bote, na-keep natin, medyo malaki-laki din siguro na earn natin. But anyway, we got the voucher, so we just need to go to Coles and hopefully they can give us cash or we can use the voucher to pay for our groceries. So I'm hoping na they will be able to give us cash because I want to save the money because $5 or maybe next time $10, that will add up and I want to save that for when we travel. So I'll put that in our travel funds. Diba, babe? So, goal ko ngayon, makaipon ng 1,000 bottles. So, magkano ba? Calculate nga natin. So, if I will be able to save 1,000 bottles times 0.10, I'll have $100. Diba? Malay natin.
Hindi na lang kita ng $100. Kawawa ka naman.
Bigyan mo ako ng
Kawawa ka naman eh.
Pero, bakit ba? Ayaw mo bang i-save yun sa travel funds? Akin na lang yun, sa savings ko na lang yun. Ha? Sa personal savings ko na lang yun. Kasi pambili ko na lang yun ng, alam mo na, pwede yung pambili ng malapit na pala sa atin.
Asan ba dyan?
Ayun, laundromat. So, pwede ko siyang pambili ng makeup or pambili ko ng bagong camera or bagong cellphone.
Wow. Yun lang. Supportahan na lang kita, babe.
Suportahan na lang daw niya ako.
Alam mo
Paeta.
yung sa pangarap.
Anyway.
Ako'y naniniwala.
Okay. Love you too.
Sige, so,
Okay, let's go mag-laundromat tayo.
Kabagkit na.
Okay guys, so hindi kami nakapag-laundry kasi wala silang what do you call this, babe? Wala silang yung pang pet friendly na washing machine because yeah. Well, most laundromats sa New Zealand and also here sa Australia, meron silang mga washing machine na for dogs or dog blankets and stuff. But yung pinuntahan namin na malapit lang dito sa motel namin, wala. So we're gonna go to another one, but before we go there, we're just gonna go and get some milk tea. Priorities. Babe, priority. Milk tea, priority. Yeah, so na-miss lang talaga namin mag-boba. It's been more than a month. The last time was when we were in Sydney. So, na-miss lang talaga namin. So, mag-milk tea kami. And then we're gonna go get something to eat probably, and then we'll see. Anyway, ikaw babe, what's one thing that you miss about living in a city? I mean, kahit what?
Food.
Ha?
Food,
no? Like, I mean, Christchurch is a city, pero hindi naman siya like city compared to Auckland, no? Or compared to Melbourne or Sydney. Ano lang siya, like, maliit lang siya ng city. Yung CBD area niya, maliit lang. But, what I'm trying to say is like, yung place like Christchurch ba? Na vibe. Yeah, so, really, that's one thing. Yung food, the convenience. Pag ayaw mong magluto, of course, may takeaway. Tas maraming options. So, yun ang na-miss namin. Ako naman, ang pinaka na-miss ko is yung after work, marami ka pang pwedeng gawin. No? Like, if it's your day off, marami kang pwedeng magawa. Well, doon kasi sa tinitira namin, nothing's open on a weekend. Well, that's exaggeration. Merong open, yung cafe. Open sila on a weekend. Ano ba bang open sa atin on a weekend? Cafe lang, no?
Saturday, bakery.
Actually, open yung pharmacy, open yung shop.
May
pero
open ng Saturday.
on Saturday, we don't do stuff on Saturday. So, Sunday lang talaga. So, ang nagagawa namin on Sundays is pumupunta lang kami sa cafe, and then after that, mag-grocery. So, parang yung grocery namin doon, we have 2 grocery stores. So, para siyang naging, yun ang shopping mall namin. Yun ang parang shopping center namin. Yun ang pinupuntahan namin every Sunday. So,
Bubble tea.
saan? Ayun. Smiley treats. So, hindi kami nag-grocery ng marami. Kasi kung mag-grocery kami ng marami, hindi na kami makakapunta sa sa IGA. Hindi kami makakapunta sa IGA or Spar. I mean, like, you know, if mag-grocery kami ng marami, wala na kaming pupuntahan on Sundays. So, konti-konti lang talaga binibili namin para during the weekend, if gusto namin, you know, like maglakad-lakad, mag-retail therapy, pupunta kami sa grocery. Okay, let's get boba. Okay.
Ay,
Parking ba to?
they're shutting down.
Hindi, 7 o'clock pa.
Nagpupunas lang.
Ay, are you still open? Are you still open? Open pa sila. Let's go. Okay, so false alarm. Hindi kami nakapag-milk tea. Oh, ang sad. So, magsasarado sila ng 7 p.m. It's already 6:30. Akala namin makakahabol kami. But sabi nila, they cannot do food anymore and they can't do any drink na may pearls. Kasi ubos na yung pearls nila. 4 p.m. pa lang ubos na
Which
daw.
one?
So, Cobra Street.
It's not here.
Ako, pinaka na-miss ko is yung convenience. Yung dati, after work, kung PM shift ako, kahit PM shift ha, even though I finish like 10:30 or 11, if I need anything from Kmart, let's say, kahit hindi need, kahit want, like, pag gusto kong, or feeling ko na I need retail therapy, I can just go to Kmart, mag-walk around ako, go home at 12 when they close. So, I can do that. On a weekend, like Saturday night, no, we can just go out, eat dinner somewhere, watch a movie, and then on Sunday, wake up early, go somewhere else. Like, we can do our chores. We can, like, get groceries. We can go to My Turten, or, you know, like, do errands. Go to the mall if we want to. Or, you know, walk the dogs or something. Like, we can relax. We can do our, like, thing. Magpunta sa salon, magpunta sa barber on a Sunday. And then, get yourself ready for work for the next day. Dito, wala eh. You gotta plan when you need to do things. Kasi nga, on a weekdays, sarado sila by 5. Minsan, 4 o'clock, 4:30. So, kailangan mong lumabas sa work if you need to do stuff. Like yung bank, nagsasarado sila after lunch. I think 1 o'clock. Yung Service New South Wales, they shut during lunchtime for like 2 hours. And then, at the end of the day, parang,
Ato yung train station.
huh? Oh, yan na yun. And then, sa hapon, they close at 4 o'clock or 4:30. Parang 4:30, no? So, basically, yung weekend mo, or for us, yung Sunday namin, sleep in, do a little bit of chores sa bahay, which we don't really do kasi I do it during the week anyway. So, babangon lang kami, go for brunch. Ano ba ginagawa natin? Tapos, yun, mag-ikot-ikot sa town, walk the dogs. That's it. Magluluto ng dinner, matutulog. Wala kaming nagagawa masyado. So,
What is this big?
may ilaw-ilaw, no?
What is that?
I don't know.
Mansion.
Nako-curious din ako. Di yan airport? Anyway, so yun talaga nami-miss ko. Yung, we can do things. So, yeah. Like, now, I'm starting my work in a few days. And, wala akong sapatos, wala akong damit na masusuot. Kasi yung mga damit ko, mga leggings lang. We really have to drive 4 hours to get those things. Kung nasa Christchurch kami, nung nalaman ko na kailangan ko nang mag-work, and if ever wala akong mga, gamit for work, I can just drive 15 minutes and get myself all those things that I need, and then done that day. Here, we gotta plan. We have to travel, we have to book accommodation. Otherwise, we buy online. But then, if we buy online, it will arrive like more than a week. So, yeah. So, pag may mga urgent talaga, wala. Pag may mga gamit kang kailangan, you really have to drive. So, yeah. So, we're just speaking in, like, based on our experience, based din sa lugar na nilipatan namin. Hindi naman the same for all. Iba-iba naman kasi ang mga towns or mga cities na malaki naman kasi ang Australia. Tsaka iba-iba yung setup ng mga towns and cities. So we're just speaking in behalf of, yung experience namin or saan kami nakatira ngayon. So, yes. Alright, so we're here now sa laundromat. Another laundromat. So hopefully meron silang for pets.
Ano na ang look?
We can have a peek from here. You gonna go?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's have a look. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 2 here. Oh, my mochi. It's day 2 here in Dubbo. We were able to find a dog walker. She's so nice. So, kaka-pick up lang niya ng mga dogs. And I'm sad. Parang no? The dogs are so independent. Parang they're so happy to go on a play date. Pero ako yung, I'm gonna miss them. Parang, inisip ko, are they gonna be good girls? Are they gonna be okay? Like, will they be naughty sa kanya? Magkaroon kayo ng issue? But anyway, looks like they're okay. Nagbabark pa nga si Mochi kasi parang tinatawag na niya yung attention ng dog walker. So, so hopefully, everything's gonna work out fine. We actually found the dog walker sa, madboss.co.au. So, I'm gonna put the link here. So, what I did is, nag-search lang ako ng dog walker and then this website came up. So, you just have to sign up and then ilagay mo yung location. So, if you are in Sydney, you are in Melbourne, I think sa mga cities lang siya. So, good thing meron dito sa Dubbo and then you put the dates kung kailan mo kailangan ng pet sitter. Just put in as well kung what services you need. So, like dog walker, pet sitter, if you want them to stay overnight, or if you need a house sitter. Ano pa ba yung other options? Meron ding pet grooming. So, nilagay ko lang doon, dog walker. Guys, so we are going sa Creo Cafe. This one? Creo Cafe. Open na sila. I'm hungry. Tada! Open? Hello. So we are now here sa Creo and I ordered juice. So their juice of the day is watermelon, pear, and apple. Anong in-order mo? Anong in-order mo? Tropical smoothie. Yeah. So John ordered tropical smoothie. I'm gonna taste my juice.
Meron sila, Soji Express Car Wash. Open sa 10 a.m. That's fine, no?
Masarap siya. So good. I love it.
Haba ng kutsilyo.
Hi! Anong ulam mo? What's your food?
Coach. Eggs Benny.
Eggs Benedict. And sa akin, I ordered eggs your way. So I chose scrambled. And then nag-add on ako ng smoked salmon. And avocados! Yay! I'm so happy. Parang ganun din. No? Hello. Ang pangit na. So, we're gonna go to Kmart. Kmart! Hi. pet things. Do we need a grass? Do we need this? No. Shopping spree. I think we're all good, babe. Babe. Hi guys. So, we are here sa Orana Mall. We were at Kmart earlier. Ang dami naming nabili. Pero we don't have enough time to go to Kohl's. So, okay pa naman yung supplies namin. All we need is mga Asian stuff. So, after here, magpapagupit lang si John. And I'm gonna find work shoes. So, siguro after, we're just gonna go sa Asian shop. Parang, yung malls nila dito, parang New Zealand lang din. Sa regional town, city? Regional city? Oo, nasa Davao kami. So, siguro yung napuntahan namin sa Sydney, malaki talaga siya. So, dito, parang nasa New Zealand lang. Parang Northlands, no? Parang Northlands na parang, yeah, ganun. Parang Northlands Mall sa Christchurch. It's not very big. Merong Taro Cash. Ayan yung isang car na tinitingnan mo, di ba?
Ay, ito dyan.
Na Jack. Pangit daw.
Parang maliit lang.
Di ba hindi daw maganda?
Sabi nila. Hindi naman pala.
Alright guys, so hindi kami sumakses. hindi kami sumakses sa paghahanap ng pinaka reason na nagpunta kami dito, yung work shoes ko. So, babalik kami dun sa kabilang mall kasi doon pala sila merong platypus. So, balik tayo doon. And yung barber dito, fully booked. Ang daming tao. So, balik kami doon sa kabila kasi hindi sila fully booked. So, medyo nag-rush na kami. Kasi it's already 10:52. Tapos yung mga dogs until 12 lang, no? 12-ish. Hindi naman siya fuzzy. So, yeah. We need to go. And also, kailangan na namin umuwi. Meron pa kaming 4 hours drive. Haba pa ng biyahe namin. So, we need to go. Mukha siyang malaki. May second floor kaya siya? Pero wala naman akong nakitang escalator.
Just parking lot.
Parking lang, no? Ang laki ng parking ng mall na to. Pero parang there's not much inside. No? So, kung i-compare ko siya sa New Zealand, para siyang, let's say Christchurch ha, para siyang Northlands na a little bit bigger than Northlands, pero sobrang daming parking. Like, yung space ng parking, ang dami. Tapos meron pa siyang second floor na parking. Pero wala kaming nakitang escalator, so parang isang level lang siya. So, yun. And may mga shops sila na meron din sa New Zealand. Like yung JJ's. Ano pa ba yung meron? Meron silang Strand bags. JB Hi-Fi. I think, is JB Hi-Fi an Australian company? Kasi parang mostly naman ng shops natin sa New Zealand, parang Australian, di ba? I think Strand bags is Australian. Is it? I don't know. I'm not sure. So, yun. And then, so, lilipat kami sa kabilang mall. We're still getting used to dito sa city na to. Kasi it's our first time here na ikot-ikot talaga kami, may mga ginawa kaming stuff. So, hindi pa namin alam. Siguro once you're familiar with the place, you'll know exactly where to go kasi alam mo na kung ano yung mga kailangan mo, tsaka alam mo na din kung saan mabibili, saan ka pupunta for those things. So, mas faster na siguro. And parang nakahanap na kami ng strategy. Yun nga, yung dog walker. You have to go to the city once a month or, every now and then to do your stuff. It's really a good idea to get someone to look after your pets if you have pets. Yeah, kasi worth it talaga siya.
Ayun ang plato paso.
Yan yun. Saan tayo magpa-parking?
Nasa labas.
Ay, maganda pala dito sa entrance niya. Double square. May Skechers din sila. May Gloria Jeans din sila. Marami pala dito!
No, right.
We should have just stayed here. Ay, dito yun. Hindi yun pwede. Saan tayo magpa-parking? Pero yung mo na malapit man sa Kmart. Tas dito na lang din yung na street, 'di ba? Yung Asian store.
Oo. May pala dito. Ito pala yung kabilang side.
Hi guys. Ngiting tagumpay. Milk tea. I'm so happy. So I got the mango milk tea. Car wash. So I got the mango milk tea and then I got John the classic milk tea. It's been like more than a month talaga na we haven't had milk tea. The last time was when we were in Sydney when I arrived here. So we're so happy. Let's go.
Yung combine nilang dalawa na harness.
Okay. All right, we're gonna shower the dogs. Mochi ready? Hershey? Matcha? Let's go! Dada! Uy, wala man si Dada.
Thank you.
Yay! Thank you! Macdo! Hi guys! So, kakatapos lang namin gawin lahat. Well, actually, ang dami naming na-miss na mga kailangan pa namin sanang bilhin at gawin. Like, hindi na kami nagpunta sa Asian store kasi wala na kaming time. Iniisip din namin, meron pa naman kaming supply and we plan to come back monthly. So, tiisin na lang muna namin kung anong meron na natira doon. Ano ginagawa mo ba niya? So, anyway, yun, hindi na kami nakapunta sa Asian store. So, next time na lang pagbalik namin and ubusin na lang muna namin ang remaining stocks. Although, gusto ko talaga sana ng malunggay. Pero I'm not sure if may malunggay sila doon eh. Kasi it's not a Filipino store. Diba? So, anyway, hindi na rin kami nakapag-calls. Sabi namin, meron namang grocery doon. So, doon na lang muna. Inuna na lang talaga namin yung priorities, which is yung bumili ng shoes para sa work at saka damit. Kasi yung mga damit ko, puro lang sila pambahay. Tsaka need ko talaga para sa work. Anyway, nag-drive-thru na kami ng mga baon. Bumili kami ng KFC. As in, nakakamiss, no? Parang nung kinain namin yung KFC kahapon, parang ang sarap-sarap. So, yun, nag-drive-thru kami ng KFC. And, baon namin siya. So, doon na namin siya sa bahay kakainin. Tapos, nag-drive-thru din kami ng McDo. Yun. Grabe. Dati, hindi nga namin masyadong kinakain yung fries kasi parang wala lang, no? Ngayon, ang sarap. So, it looks like nag-enjoy naman sila sa kanilang pagpasyal-pasyal. Gusto talagang makijoy ni Mochi. Di ba, Mochi? So, I think nag-enjoy sila sa mga walk nila. And, yun. That's it. We're gonna go back home. Ready ka? Uwi na tayo. So, we have 4 hours drive. be home just before 6. Baka, depende sa stops, no? Baka mag-stop tayo. Baka after 6 o'clock na. Hopefully, hindi 7 o'clock para sana makauwi kami before dumilim.